How to check muted emails in Gmail. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. So first you open a web browser, let it be Safari or let it be Chrome, whichever phone you're using, it doesn't matter. So open Chrome, search for gmail.com. Once you search for gmail.com, your mail ID will open. And for example, click on the three lines here. Once you click on the three lines, you can click on all mails or trash mails to find the what we say muted mails. So for example, I click on all mails, and on the search icon I click on once I open the search icon, I type label, I put colon, and I type mute. Once I do that, it's searching. I currently don't have any mails that have been muted, but you might have certain mails that are muted. And this is how you check the muted mails. You just type label colon mute. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.